Sometimes back, I used to reject requests from some of my customers, that is, some individuals, asking to supply them processed chicken. I thought it was laborious, not knowing within 3 to 5 minutes I can process one broiler chicken ready to be supplied to frozen food or the individual that requested it. In this video, I'll be showing you how to process broiler chicken or clean up broiler chicken ready to be supplied to individuals or frozen food outlets. I will also be giving out a secret in the trade that you can use to maintain your slaughter weight so that the weight of your processed chicken doesn't reduce when you get to the frozen food outlet. Hey friends, if we haven't met, my name is OJ. I have been into poultry farming since 2020. Kindly do well to hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification icon, like and comment in the comment section below. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks so much for checking out my video. So I want to know what the dressing weight of this bird is going to be. Right now, I have not dressed it. The weight scale is telling me is 3.05 kilograms. So I want to know what the dressing weight will be. Okay, this one is weighing 2.74 kg. So I also want to know what the dressing weight of this particular one is going to be. Okay, to know if it's okay to remove the chicken from the hot water. You see, when you use your hand to peel the foot like this, you see this stuff is already removed. So it's okay to remove this one now from the hot water. So I'm dropping this here. Okay, the second one, I'll check if it's okay. This one too is okay to remove. So I put this one here again. Let me check the third one. Okay, it's also okay to remove this. Okay, to ensure a smooth skin, you need to ensure that the hot water you dip the chicken is not so hot, but let it be hot. As you can see from the video, when you peel the feet and it's coming up, you know, okay, the water is hot enough. Okay, you discover that the skin is not peeling with the feather as we are removing the feather. This is because the hot water we dip the chicken wasn't so hot, like I said. This is very important to achieve smooth skin after defeathering. And once the skin is peeling with the feather, your customer may not collect it from you. Okay, this has been cleaned. You need to ensure it is the feather is removed properly. There's no leftover in it. Okay, I'll show you how I will remove the intestine, where I need to cut to do that. Okay, let's see. The next thing now is to leave it inside the water. After removing the feather, you leave them in water for some minutes before coming to remove the intestine. So this is it. We've removed the feather. There are times towards the tail end like this, the feather won't go out very well. So just take your knife, use it to remove the leftover from that end, because your customer may not like it if it's not properly cleaned. So that is it. The next thing now, this water also helped in a way, because there are some feather that maybe while you were trying to remove this thing, some of the feather didn't go out fully. So what you do, after using the water to rinse it, you can see this is very, very clean and it doesn't take long. Within few minutes, we are done. So I don't have the machine they use in removing the feather, so I do this manually myself. Okay, this is it. So it's time to remove the intestine. Cut it open and remove the intestine. So you can see it's very clean. Okay, so this is the one that weighs 3.05 kg. This is it. Now, after removing the feather, I've not weighed it, so I need to remove the intestine, remove the feet, remove the neck and the head before taking the final weight. Because at the frozen food, the way they buy it is that the legs will be removed, the head will be removed, and the neck, as well as the intestine, will also be removed. As you can see, this is how to remove the legs. I'm removing the legs. As you can see, good. Okay. The neck. Good. Okay. I need to cut it. Now this is where you cut to remove the intestine, not here. So you cut it from here. Okay. And once you cut it a little, you don't need to cut it too much. Okay, this is enough right now. I will need to place my hand in here, but normally I like to cut here as well so that the intestine can be opened properly, so that all the intestine can be removed. Then I will dip my hand in here. Okay, like I said, so that the intestine can be removed properly. This is the whole chicken. I'm left to remove the neck. So at times you see some customers, they'll tell you don't remove the neck. That's for individual, but if it's for frozen food, you need to cut the neck, remove the neck, the head, and the feet. So those will be sold separately at the frozen food joint. So this is the what we are left with. What I'll do now, I'm going to scale it to know after dressing the weight of that 3.05 kg, what the final weight is going to be. This is my digital scale. This is what I'll be using to take the final weight after dressing. Now I need to set it to, okay, it's on right now, it's at 0. Then after placing this plate, I'll be using this plate to take the measurement. So right now the plate is weighing 164 grams. So I'll need to set it by pressing this star. So it has turned to 0. So let me place the chick on the plate. Okay, this is the chick that weighs that 3 kg. Right now it's on the scale. So what I'm getting right now, I don't know if you can say, okay, I'm getting 2.6 kg after dressing. Remember we removed the head, the neck, and the legs, as well as the intestine. So the final weight is 2.6. And this is what they will buy at the frozen food. I want to take the weight of the neck, the legs, and the head to see what they will give me. Now the neck alone, I'm weighing the neck, is giving me 73 grams. It's giving me 73 grams. You can see that's the neck. 73 grams. That's for the neck. Okay, let me weigh the legs, the 2 legs. It's giving me 80 grams. The neck 73, the legs 80 grams. That's the neck. This gave me 73 grams, and the legs gave me 80 grams. So let's see what the head is going to give us. Okay, the head gives me, head gives me 60. Okay, this is 63 grams. Okay, that is it about the final weight after dressing. I weighed 2.75 from our initial scaling, that before processing. So let's see what it's going to give us after removing the feather and all that. Okay, is that right now? So after the feather has been removed, the intestine, the gizzard, and all, what we have left is 2.249 kilogram dressing weight. Okay, that's the other one. The one that weighed 2.6. The one that weighed 2.6. We have final weight 2.248 kilogram. If you are getting values from this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification icon, like and comment in the comment section below. If you made it to this point, thanks so much. The secret in this trade that I promised to give out is this. So remember I said if we are to take, because I want to keep this at home, if we are taking it to the frozen food outlet, what we'll do after removing the intestine, you don't just keep it to dry that way. No, you need to soak them in water, because if you leave it to dry that way, the weight is going to reduce. So leave it in water. When you are set to go, you bag them and then take it to the frozen food. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and comment in the comment section below, as this will go a long way in helping me to grow my channel and reach a larger audience. Thank you.